Right. I was gonna wait until something happened here so that I could go over it, but price action is just getting really slow. I mean, I think even if I had have taken a trade today, it's not gonna hit either trade. I mean, it's interesting. Yeah, I was gonna leave it a bit longer. Like as soon as I started doing the video, it's kind of doing something now. But anyway, I didn't take a trade. But there's a lot to go over. But yeah, I was just gonna go over all the different kind of biases that I was seeing. But let's just go over the main bias of today. So when market opened, we had um, we had an SMT divergence off of pre-market lows here, which was super obvious. Hold on, I should probably sell this up before I do these. Right, pre-market lows, same pre-market lows here. On the 5-minute, we created an SMT off of this low up to here. On NASDAQ, we were leading. On ES, we were lagging behind, and we'd taken out and manipulated these lows. We also had equal highs here, and we made an equal high here before having the retrace down. So equal highs on market open. So now we have market open highs. All of these confluences with the SMT divergence, we've got a move up. We get a retrace down into this 1-minute gap, and I guess you could just long off of being in the gap up to these highs here and up to all-time highs. I didn't take this because it was so early, and I just thought it was a small risk to reward, so I didn't want to take it. I'm not too worried about rushing into taking trades right now. We were 5-minute bullish structure. We had the manipulation here. This is the continuation confluence, the 5-minute continuation. We're already in bullish structure, and we've got our draws so obviously set out. We knew what was going to happen here, but I didn't take it because it was pretty bad risk to reward. I think that if I'd have taken that, I would have been a bit of an idiot. I mean, that's I'm on a funded account. That's just a risky trade. I don't want to say. I'm glad I didn't take it. I don't want to beat myself up over missing that, but maybe I was a bit too scared to take it. I should have had a bit more bottle to take that. And then once we'd come up and taken out all these highs, my bias then flipped, and I was like, maybe we can try and see a short trade down. We got a candle down. We were refusing to invalidate this 5-minute bullish gap here. That's what I wanted to inverse the 5-minute order flow. I wanted to see it close below. We didn't close below. We didn't even get a 5-minute up candle into a continuation confluence. We had the retrace into equilibrium and all this bollocks, but I'm not going to take this straight off of this. I mean, I could have, I didn't. We had also a 5-minute SMT divergence, so I guess I've missed 2 trades today because I guess overall I was too bitch made to take them. I did want to take this trade here. The reason I didn't take it is because we had news. We had bullish and bearish news. News ended up coming out bearish. Wait, there's nothing on here, is there? But yeah, right now my take profits would have been London lows. They haven't been taken, and now we're like reversing, so it looks pretty bad. NQ, we also had a big SMT divergence here, from here to here. Again, this SMT that we then made another bigger SMT off of it, and then my bias flipped long. It just very mismatched day. My bias would have been then to take a long on NASDAQ up to these highs. That's what I had set up for NASDAQ. But overall, I just looked at it and I was like, this is bad. Let's just wait for a better day. And I sat on my hands, and right now price action's bad. I'm happy I didn't take a trade, but those are the trades we missed, and that's the kind of look of the price action. But yeah, good day, and that's a pretty good review. I'm happy with that. All right, sweet.